Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for loving my previous videos, and that brings us to our next video, which is going to be in our Jio haul and the most affordable. So without any further ado, let's just start with the video and let's not waste any further time. Okay, so starting off with the first item, this top is also from Ajio, so I thought let's just start with this one only. So this is a beautiful peplum styled top. I will adjust the try on part for you guys to see, and it's a really beautiful with butterfly sleeves kind of a top. So this is the first one. I really want to rate all of these items, so I would rate this one a 9 on 10 or maybe more than that. I really am loving this one. Okay, so the second item is this beautiful अंगरखा styled कुर्ता. आज ही मैंने पहना था because आज नवरात्रि का first day था, and usually we all do puja at our home. तो मैंने ये पहना था because ethnic pulls you up. It lifts your mood up. So any day ethnic. एक हीरो ट्राई ऑन में दैट इट लुक्स रियली नाइस ऑन मी. इसका नेक थोड़ा सा डीप है, सो आई हैव टू वेयर समथिंग अंडरनीथ बिकॉज आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल वेयरिंग दैट डीप नेक. एंड या आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. प्राइजेस एंड साइजेस अगेन ऑन द स्क्रीन. इसमें इट्स एम साइज, सो इट्स रिटन ओवर है. सो या आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस वन, एंड I would want to rate it, so I would rate it 9+ on 10. Alright, so a black skinny jean is like a need. Some people love blue jeans over black, but I am that black jeans वाला person. Black jeans any day, anytime. अभी भी मैंने black पहन रखी है. So when I saw these for the price, they were for, I'm confused between either 300 or 600. They were for obviously under 600 थी ये, and जो मैं इससे पहले जीन्स पहनती थी वो 1200 रुपीज़ की होती थी. इतना कुछ आराम से होती थी रेंज, एंड वो यहाँ से हमेशा फट जाती थी because I used to wear them almost every day. And ये वाली भी मैंने almost every day डाली है, but this one did not rip off, and I am so impressed by this one. This is from the brand Rio, and उसका ब्रांड वॉज OKS. इसका ब्रांड आई माइट हैव रिटन डाउन, मैं भूल ही गई ब्रांड्स बताना. सो दिस इज़ फ्रॉम द ब्रांड रियो, एंड इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट पीस. मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट आइटम. ओके, यू आर नॉट रेडी फॉर दिस. ये जो पीस है, इफ़ यू गो एंड बाय दिस ऑफलाइन, यू विल गेट इट फॉर मोर दैन, मैं इसकी ओरिजिनल MRP, ओह it's for 5,000. इसका MRP is 5,000 over here on the tag. And let me tell you how much did I pay for this one. It was under 1,600 rupees, maybe 1,200, if I remember it right. So this is again a very a frock style. इसका बहुत 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 beautiful फ्लेयर है, एंड इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पीस. इट्स नॉट आयर्न. ये ऐसे ही आई है, ये कल परसों ही रिसीव हुई है मेरे को. सो सॉरी फॉर दैट, बट या जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट इट. ये वाइट की वजह से, लाइट की वजह से वाइट थोड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा है, बट इट्स इन टियो, टियो वाला जो ड्रेसेस चल रही है ना आजकल, इट्स इन दैट पैटर्न. एंड इसके नीचे यहाँ पे पिंक एंड है, फॉल पे नीचे एंड पे पिंक है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वर्क पिंक है, and it is a gorgeous piece. Absolutely worth the price. ऑफलाइन जाओगे तो वो टैग देख के 5,000 की मैक्सिमम 4,500 कर देंगे, बट दिस वन इज़ फॉर 1,200 or something, which I paid, and I love it. Okay, so next top is something that my followers chose for me on my Instagram, and एक और टॉप है जो उन्होंने ही select करा था. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, and if you want to participate in such activities, go follow me, link description में है. And this is this top, and it's a very beautiful top. अभी ये justice नहीं दे रहा है. You can see it in the try on. It looks way better than it looks right now, and it's an olive green color. It's from the brand Kazo. India का size is M, and generally M ही fit होता है मेरे को. And it has this belted detail. It's perfect for formal evenings as well. And yeah, I really like this one. This one is also worth the price. Material इसका कैसा है? It's really good. I don't know what material it is, but it's really good and of good quality. Alright, so next up is this one. It's again in that same style जैसा वो वाला था अभी, olive green वाला, and ये थोड़ा सा tie up वाले form में दिखता है, as I was absolutely right. This can be thrown on top as a jacket as well. So it's a two-way thingy. इसको you can tie it up. It's in tie-up style, and then you can leave it as a jacket as well. And it's in a beautiful print. I am obsessing over this print these days. I have एक dress भी इसमें. It's a very similar print and a very similar material as well. That one was from H&M, but this is from Outright and size M and price लिखा होगा. Alright, so the second last item is this one, and if you already are following me on my Instagram, so you would know that I wore this to Agra, and well, I went out with my friends, if you don't know. So it is a beautiful piece again, and it's from the brand Trendyol, and Trendyol especially is my favorite on Ajio. Uske tops and everything is a little expensive, but the styles they have is like absolutely worth it. So yeah, the skirt is again very pretty and it falls beautifully. It's a flary skirt. I had nothing in flare, so I had to get one, and the print again is beautiful. And yeah, the sizes and the prices would be mentioned below, so yeah, do check it out. It's again pretty. And the last but not the least, obviously, it's again my favorite. और ये जिस प्राइस में है उसके हिसाब से इसकी क्वालिटी इज़ लाइक नेक्स्ट लेवल. प्लस इसमें यहाँ पे शोल्डर पैडिंग भी है. सो वाओ. सो दिस इज़ अ जैकेट स्टाइल टॉप. वैसे तो इसका डीप वी नेक है एंड ये यहाँ पर ऐसे टाई अप होता है, बट इट डिड नॉट फिट मी एंड आई डोंट हैव द एनर्जी टू गेट अ साइज बिगर, because it looks a very flawless piece and a very amazing piece on me as a jacket. So I am planning to keep it as a jacket only with myself, and I really love this one. This one's from the brand Martini, I guess. Yeah, so this one's from the brand Martini. इस पे tag पे तो 1690 लिखा है, but it is obviously under 500-600 rupees. So yeah, I again love this. I didn't have anything in crop plus a jacket in white, so it's a two-way thing, and yeah, I really like it. Alright, so that was it for this video. Let me know your favorite piece out of the complete video. Mine is surely this one and the green Angrakha. I absolutely love these two pieces on top of everything. Actually no, but actually yes, somewhere I do. And yeah, that was it for this video, and I would bring you more hauls. For that, you have to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.